Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. Okay, so here we have our stuffed bagel, but our own twist on the viral Calic stuffed bagel. That we have our stuffed with seafood of crab and shrimp. And some wonderful pepper jack and provolone and colby jack cheese in here. Look how it's stuffed. Do you see all that cheese pull? Do you see that? And it smells so good, so I know you want to know how to make it. So come with me, let's do it together. I'm gonna use some whipped cream cheese and add some obey to it, as well as some shrimp seasoning. I have some leftover shrimp that I had that was grilled, and I have some pepper jack cheese here that's gonna go with our colby mix here, as well as our shrimp seasoning and some crab meat. So let's chop this down. We're gonna add it to our whipped cream cheese mixture and the seasoning, and that's that. So I'm adding crab meat and the shrimp and the cheeses all in this bowl, and we're gonna mix it. You want to gently turn it. If you need to add a little bit more whipped cream cheese, do so. Now let's add some of our shrimp seasoning, a little bit of obey. That's it. Just want to mix this and turn this. The key to this is not to cut it all the way down straight through. So you want to just make an incision slit like this, you can see it, and have room that it doesn't go all the way through, so you're able to stuff it. I'm going to use my bag right here. Just so you can just make a hole in your bag, and that's, you know. Here's our vitamin content. So, okay, we have stuffed our shrimp and our crab meat and our cream cheese, and we're adding some provolone cheese in between. We are adding our Herbes de Provence to our garlic, butter, and parsley. Mix that here. And we are going to take our bagel that's stuffed, and we're going to face it down. Just totally submerge it and dip it in here. And we're going to bake it in our air fryer on 350 for 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your air fryer. I just sprinkled some shredded Parmesan on here. And here are a list of ingredients. So we have our resident taste tester here with us to taste our stuffed seafood bagel.
Well, let's see.
Okay, let's see.
Wow. Can definitely taste the shrimp and the crab meat. And I thought it wasn't going to be as good, but it turned out to be pretty good. And with the cheese and the garlic and everything, it all just blends together well and really brings out a nice flavor in the shrimp.
Yeah, I know you're a lover of stone cold crab, and this is not it, but I think that this was a nice little twist to not having a stone cold crab. And he likes it, and he's eating more. So this is definitely a good sign. Let me take a bite. Bread is nice and soft. Got a little crunch from the Parmesan on the top. Listen, this is a meal right here, because you have your protein. You have your triple protein, you have your cheese, and you have your shrimp and your crab meat. But if you want to treat yourself to something nice, definitely try to make this bagel. And if you do it, let me know how it turns out. And definitely check Gio and I in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself, and God bless you. Mwah.